So hello everybody, welcome back into another how-to tutorial, and today we are teaching you on some no-code app tutorials. So you can use this website for building an app, but you are not using any code, so that's pretty cool. So today we're diving into Adalo. So this is a no-code app builder that lets you create powerful mobile apps without writing a single line of code. Whether you're building a to-do list or a booking app or social media platform, Adalo makes it easy, super easy to bring your ideas to life. So let's get started. So to access Adalo, you just go to their website. You press login right there. Then you're just gonna pick your Google account. Then you're just gonna sign in the website itself. Then we're gonna set up our app right here. So you can just pick any template, or you can do it by scratch. We're gonna make a new one right here. So let's pick mobile only. Let's pick a hold up. We can do shopping. Let's do restaurant. That sounds fun. So let's do restaurant. Let's go. So we're just gonna name it How to Rocket Restaurant. And customers of my startup, primary color. I like red. So we're gonna pick red and maroon or orange works because they're so similar. There we go. We're just gonna create the app itself. There we go. As you can see here, this is our app. So we have a lot of screens here. So we have our layout here. You can change your screen here. So we have our sign up right here. You have your welcome screen. Your we're gonna go to account. I see here this account settings right here. There's also all products. There's a lot of stuff here. So we're just gonna try and view the app itself. So we're gonna view how it works. So here's our How to Rocket Restaurant app. And this is how it looked like if we publish the app on the App Store itself. So we're just gonna wait for a bit. It's gonna load. I see here. This is our restaurant here. So we can just it works. You enter an email or you have an account. So let's say Peter at gmail.com. Password. Try and logging in. Invalid as password because you have to sign up. So we're just gonna enter an email. Let's say Peter at gmail.com. There we go. Then we're gonna password is ASD, and we're gonna name it Peter again. Then we're gonna sign up. I see here it's working now. So we have our restaurant that we can pick and sell items on. So that's pretty cool. That's very nice. So if we want to customize this as our, own How to Rocket restaurant, we can change some stuff here. So we can go to the welcome screen here, and we can change the layout here. So setup, layout, images, text. We're gonna say cafe, cafe. Wait, it's all caps. Just gonna say Cafe Rocket, right? Let's go. Absolute hype. Rocket. Oh, wait, Rocket. Then we're gonna adjust it a little bit so it looks nicer. Go to Rocket. Style. We're gonna make it smaller a bit. There's no diagonals in here. That's weird. Wait. There you go. That's our restaurant, right? You can just customize it as much as you can. So that's pretty cool. There's also like you can drag anything that you want here. That's free. There's also component sections. You can put list of things right there on the sign up. I don't know why you would, but you can. You can also put it here on list of things. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, guys, that's how you can use Adalo. So that's pretty cool. App that we have. There's also another one called Loveable.dev. This is more fun than Adalo, actually. I enjoy using this more, but it's more mostly on web page. So let's say I want a app that shows me cat pics. There we go. Then we're gonna sign in first. We're gonna sign with Google. This is the last one I used. There we go. That's my account. Show me an app that an app that gives me cat pictures. I want an app that shows me cat pics. So we're gonna wait for a bit. It's gonna think. So that's our lovable dev. I like this better than the other ones. I already made another app with this one, which is pretty cool. We're just gonna wait for a bit for this to load. But as we are waiting, we're gonna show some of the examples on lovable.dev. So we're gonna come back for it. So there's a lot of projects. So there's latest projects here. Uh, you also have my projects. I have warm welcome. I already have about a calculator. So here's our cat gallery. That looks so cool. So that's pretty cool. This is our website that shows cat pictures. That's pretty nice. So I rather use this one because it's much easier to use. Adalo is okay if you want complex app, but Lovable is like a prototyping, so it's nicer. And yeah, guys. So that's our video for today. If you guys like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And if you guys like the video, I'll post more and I'll see you guys on